Hello traders and welcome to another brand new exciting live trading session for the channel. So in today's live trading session, I'm going to be placing one live trade with our strategy, and as usual, I'm going to explain everything about the setup so you can apply the same when you decide to trade. So without wasting further time, let's get started. So this is the Australian dollar US dollar chart. I usually do not I rarely trade this pair. But I think I have a very beautiful setup here, so I'm going to trade it for today. You can see that we are having the price in the market is currently selling at the moment, and I think I should jump into a trade soon. Over here, the price we're consolidating, and all of a sudden, this was a spike that came, broke everything all the way upward, and created this new high. But it seems the price has been cooling off, so we can consider this to be a downtrend for the last 3 hours of the market. So the next thing is we can try to identify the retracement phases, and then we can draw a simple trend line to wait for a breakout, as I always trade. So the first thing I will do is, now that I have understand that this is a downtrend for quite some time, we can go with it. So I'm going to draw a trend line, and I'm going to have it on this support level somewhere here, and I will make this white and I'll make this bold just so you can see. And I'm trying to draw the trend line correctly so that I do not miss out on anything. So I'm going to make it as correct as possible. So this looks good. Yeah, this looks good. So yeah, I'm going to wait until I have a breakout. I need to have this structure broken. If this structure breaks, I'm going to place this trade. I hope it happens soon. And this is going to be all about this trade setup. I'm going to place my trade if I have a breakout from this trend line on the support level, because I'm having a downtrend for the past 3 hours, and I think the sellers are quite in control of price. So I don't know if this candle will close below. Let's see if this candle closes below. I'll just get ready, and if it does close below, I will be placing my trade. So here we go. I have placed this trade. The candle closed below, and I'm going to wait for this trade to finish, and at the end of this trade, I'm going to explain again the reason why I have placed this trade, so you can learn and also apply the same when you decide to trade. So if you're here for the first time, this is all we do on the channel. We take live trades, we explain everything about the trade, which is even more important, and we teach everything about our strategy, all our strategies. We have a lot of videos on the channel. You can go ahead to watch other videos if you're interested in learning our strategy. And of course, you can go to your chart to practice on the demo account until you are comfortable enough to go with these strategies on your live account. So give this video a thumbs up if you find any value in this video at the end of this video, of course. And if you are interested in seeing more of our videos, then do well to also subscribe to our channel, just so you don't miss out on any of our important live trading sessions. So I'm going to wait to see what happens at the end of this trade, and at the end of this trade, of course, I'm going to explain again the reason why I have placed this trade, so you can learn and also apply the same when you decide to trade. So sit back, relax, and let's wait. So guys, we've won this trade. Price starts to this looks like a very strong zone in the market, but somehow the price has finally broke it, which is a confirmation that the structure is going on, has broken, and the price should continue to fall. Now, I always tell you guys that if you have a trend line and a trend line has been respected at least 3 times or 2 times in the past, it means that the price has adopted that way to be its way for quite some time, and then sometime in the future the price will not be going that way anymore. That rule will be broken and another rule will be set. So this is how the price moves. You just need to understand. I want you to try to position these things the way you can understand, the best way you can understand, because no one can actually put this in your head. You have to continue doing this until you find a way of personally defining trading according to your own according to your own mentality, according to your own lifestyle, and according to your own circumstances, or whatever I may put that. So trading for me may not be the same trading for you, because you have different emotions, different things happen in your days, and you are from different part of the world. We are not the same. So you have to define these things based on how you are. That is the only way you can be profitable. You cannot use my experience to judge your experience and try to trade the way I trade. You need to do this and be able to understand how it works for you and apply that. So if a structure is broken, another structure, another rule will be created, and the price will go again in a certain structure for some time again until that structure breaks again, and then it goes in that structure for quite some time, and that structure breaks again. The most important thing is you need to understand the trend and understand the full structure of the trend. I know that this is a strong downtrend, which is the overall trend, right? And now, even in the overall trend, the structures are still breaking. And then you have to look for the retracement phases. These are going to be the areas where you are going to enter into a potential. This is the areas where you are going to potentially enter into a trade, and wait to see what the price is doing at a time, and then wait for a break of that structure and go with the flow. That's how it is done. My strategy is very simple. So this was a downtrend. I confirmed this by the strong move of the price. You see that after the spike of after this spike, I think some news have resulted to this spike. The price rose and created this high. You can see over here 0.639980, and since then the price has been cooling off, and you see it has continued falling for quite some time. You see what happened here. It fell down strongly, created this new low here, and then this was a retracement phase, which were the cool off phase. And you see that this was also a structure, because this is a minor uptrend in the overall downtrend. See, these are higher highs. You see, this is a high, higher high, higher high, higher high, and this is a low, and these were also higher lows. And then the simplest thing, you can do is to draw a trend line, and then you connect all the lower lows together. And then simply wait for a breakout from the support trend line. If the breakout comes, it will create a new low. This is a strategy that I think you should learn and practice on your own time, on your own private time. So now you can see that after the price broke this structure, created this new low, it started to create another structure, which is now also a minor uptrend again, because you can see now this is a low, this is a high, higher low, higher high. So this is again a structure that the price is now creating. Now the thing I did was I have to include this trend line on the support level to be able to see and know when the structure finally breaks, because that's what I'm waiting for. And then you all see that the price came down. It has been respected this trend line for some time, but again it came. This time it didn't respect it. You see that the price broke and the price closed below this my trend line, and I just immediately took that trade. So this is everything about trading strategy. I hope you've learned something and you can apply the same when you decide to trade. You can see that since this structure broke, since this candle closed below this trend line, the price has been falling down and it has not stopped. So it will fall like this, create another new low, and then it will start to retrace again to create something similar to this, and then that structure will break again and start to fall again. So that may happen consistently for a period of time, and then it will change again. I'm not saying it will continue like that. So this is how the price works. This is how trading works. I hope you've learned something, and you can apply it the same way you decide to trade. If you find any value in this video, do where to give this video a thumbs up, just so this video can reach out to more people like you who may be interested in content like this. If you're here for the first time, you are yet to subscribe to the channel, you have been missing out. So do where to take 1 minute of your time, few seconds of your time rather, to hit that subscribe button, and do not forget, turn on the bell icon so you don't miss out on any of our important live trading sections. If you have any questions regarding to this trading session, do where to drop all your questions below the comment section. I'm very good at replying to the comment on the comment section. If you have an interest in joining our WhatsApp community, the link is going to be below the video. You can click and join. If you also want to join our mentorship, do where to also click the link below the video to be able to join this mentorship, so you can learn everything you need to know to be profitable in the forex market, in the binary options market, in the crypto market. Because the strategy I trade here on this lower time frame, you can see that this is a 1 minute time frame, can also be applied across all time frames. So this strategy is applicable to all time frames. It's not limited to only 1 minute. You can use it for the 2 minutes, for the 5 minutes, for the 10 minutes, or whatever time frame you are going to trade. So that means you can also apply this strategy if you are trading forex as well. So on this note, I'm going to end this video here, and I will see you again next time. But till then, keep trading, keep working hard, and have a good day.